In a global society punctuated by high-speed communications, complex and rapid change, and increasing diversity, finding the right solution to a problem can be a challenge. We have seen throughout this course that business-related problems can be solved with the use of critical thinking techniques. In each scenario, we have seen examples of business leaders and employees who use critical thinking strategies and the results. We have also come to understand the effects of narrow thinking and biases. Critical thinking uses complex thinking strategies to solve problems. These include decision-making, reasoning, investigation, experimental inquiry, directed problem-solving, creative problem-solving, reflective thinking, and evaluation. Critical thinking aids business leaders and managers utilize intelligent processes of thinking and to develop logical solutions to pressing business problems. Any business-related issue can be resolved using critical thinking techniques. The outcome of using critical thinking to resolve business concerns is that all angles of the problem will be reviewed. By carefully evaluating an issue, the critical thinker is in a position to use good judgment to find a workable solution to the issue at hand. Critical thinking is a lot like chess. Before you make a move, you evaluate what moves you can make and synthesize the information you have, including your opponent as a player and the rules of the game. You can then analyze what the outcome of each move you make might be. Then you make your move and reflect on your actions. Every problem has a solution, even if it is to accept the situation and move on. Instead of approaching problems and challenges as insurmountable obstacles, we can view them as opportunities to hone our critical thinking and problem-solving skills. To think critically to solve a problem, we utilize these processes. Rely on reason rather than emotion. Evaluate a broad range of viewpoints and perspectives. Maintain an open mind to alternate interpretations. Accept new evidence, explanations, and findings. Are willing to reassess information. Can put aside personal prejudices and biases. Consider all reasonable possibilities. And avoid hasty judgments. Like any other skill, learning to think critically to solve problems takes time and practice. Here are some steps you can use to solve problems using critical thinking. Identify the problem. Does a problem exist? Sometimes there really isn't a problem, just a misunderstanding. If that's the case, fine. Identify exactly what the problem is. Analyze the problem. Look at it from different angles. Ask complex questions. You may also discover a bias or narrow point of view during your analysis. Brainstorm possible solutions. Problems can be solved in many ways. Brainstorm a list of several possible solutions. Having several viable options leads to obtaining the best results. Decide which solution fits best. Different situations call for different solutions. Take time to determine what will work best for the problem at hand. Take action. Implement your solution and monitor the situation to see if further action is required.